In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view options in Outlook Office 365. Whether you're using the new Outlook or the classic Outlook experience, I'll walk you through the key places to adjust your layout so your inbox feels clear, efficient, and comfortable. Let's start with the new Outlook. Begin by clicking the gear icon at the top right to open Settings. In the panel that opens, go to Mail, then choose Layout. This is where most of your visual preferences live. First, decide how you want your focused inbox to behave. You can turn it on or off, or switch between the focused and other tabs. If you prefer everything in one list, turn it off. If you like Microsoft's automatic prioritization, leave it on. Next, set how messages are organized. Conversation view groups replies and forwards together so threads are easy to follow, while single view lists each message separately. Choose what matches your workflow. Now adjust the reading pane. You can show it on the right, at the bottom, or turn it off entirely if you like a full-height message list. Finally, pick a message list format. Compact fits more emails on screen. Comfortable gives a bit more breathing room. Each change applies immediately, so you can preview what works best. If you're using Classic Outlook, head to the View tab on the ribbon. In the Layout group, click Reading pane to place it on the right, at the bottom, or turn it off. Right next to it, use Folder pane to show, hide, or resize the navigation area on the left, which is helpful if you want more space for your message list. To fine-tune spacing, click Density Font and choose a denser compact view or a more relaxed cozy view. To switch the overall layout, click Change View and pick a preset like Compact, Single, or Preview. Compact is the familiar multi-line view with the reading pane, Single is a straightforward list, and Preview shows a short snippet of message content. For deeper control, still on the View tab, click View Settings. You can also get there via Change View, then Manage Views, and Modify. Here you can customize columns to show exactly the details you need, group messages by fields such as date or sender, sort them the way you prefer, and even set conditional formatting to highlight important emails automatically. These options let you tailor each folder to your workflow. Experiment with these settings until your inbox feels just right. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how quickly you process email. Thanks for watching.